One.
So start with all these.
Yep, upside down. Nice and easy. Get that. Oh, turn it upside down. Oh, it's easier to take off. Oh. All right. I would go that one off and put one of those on.
1.6.
Yep. Because you're just about doubling the weight there. Nice and easy. Nice. 530 on.
This one?
Yep.
Stack it right on top?
Right on top. Nice and easy. Nice. Those two off and put the 1900 on.
What 1900?
Nope. The big one out of those two. There you go. Oh yeah. Nice. All right, I would go again with the 530. As long as it holds the plate, you're okay.
And then put this one.
Yep, I would.
I moved
All right,
the
now,
weights a little more to
go.
the center of that.
I would take those off, put 23 on.
Yeah.
Try to just keep these off to the side.
Yep.
Try to put the plates more in the center because it's making me uncomfortable how it's tilting.
Wait, did I use this one smaller or no? Right?
No, but just put 23 in. You had more than 23 on it, so 23 is going to be okay.
Easy. 530?
Yep, 530.
So I put the one back on?
Those two off, 19 on.
Oh, that one?
Yep.
Is that in the middle, Ryan? Or?
But
It's pretty close.
yeah.
Oof.
So should I take
Nice. 19 off, put another 23 on. Oh, now we're getting some weight on there.
Put another 23 on?
Oh, yeah.
This one?
Now, when you do that, go around like this and just set it down nice and easy with two hands. Yeah. Nice and easy. You put it down there a little rough.
How much is it so far, Mr. Miller?
530 back
So
on?
far, it's over 10 pounds.
530 back on?
Yeah. Work your way back up again. Nice. All right, didn't make it. All right.